Hello and thanks for stopping by the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy, and in today's video I am going to be doing some cleaning in my kitchen. I'm starting off with my coffee bar, and I'm actually switching it out from the decor that I had on here for Christmas and switching it over to more of a winter coffee bar. And I'm going to be sharing two items that I got for Christmas. I'm super excited about those. So they will be a part of a slight kitchen refresh, if you will. I'll be sharing that as well. So if you'd like to get some good cleaning motivation and see what I got for Christmas, then just keep watching. Now, this is the first item that I got for Christmas. It is the Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso Machine, and it is by DeLonghi. This one is the matte black with rose gold. This is a beautiful machine. I am super excited to have it. It's gorgeous. I know you're thinking, how can a coffee machine be gorgeous? Stay tuned. You'll see what I mean. It's a really nice coffee maker. If you have been watching my channel, you know I love coffee. And my coffee station is very important to me. This is a space that I visit every morning when I wake up, and I just enjoy it so much. So that's what I'm doing here is I'm setting it up for the first time. I'm getting it all cleaned up and everything and getting it set up for that first cup of coffee. Yes. And that is all that I've done to the coffee station. I really like the way that it turned out. It looks really nice. Like I said, I removed all the Christmas decorations, so it's just pretty basic now and functional, because that's really important. I am going to be making some additional changes to this space coming soon, so stick around for that in another video. But before we move on to the cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and unbox my second Christmas gift, which is a SMEG toaster. And I got it in matte black, and it is the toaster, the 2-slice toaster. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. I'm excited to have that. I don't currently own a toaster, so this will be a new addition, but I am very happy that I got that. My box was a little bit damaged, but the toaster is fine, thank goodness. So here we go with that. And then as soon as we get done with this, we got a lot of cleaning to do, girls, so stick around. case you're wondering what's in this pot, it's spaghetti. I made dinner for today. And then for dessert, we got one of Mom's chocolate cakes, her homemade chocolate cake. This was just baked today. I picked it up on the way home from the gym, ironically. But anyway, no judgment here. But this is what's going to be for dessert. And by the way, if you're interested in baking old-fashioned chocolate cake, homemade chocolate cake, my mom did do this cake on my channel. So I'm going to be linking the video if you haven't seen it in the iCard as well as in the description box. Check it out. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't leave today without hitting the thumbs up button and the subscribe button. If you're not currently subscribed, I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family, and if you're already a family member, I would like to thank you for stopping back by. I have a number of new subscribers, and I want to take this opportunity to officially welcome you to the channel. I'm so happy that you chose this channel to subscribe to, and those that are still thinking about it, go ahead on and hit that button. It doesn't cost you anything. I would love to have you. Thanks so much for stopping by. It is time for me to relax now. I've already started to apply lotion and stuff to my hands because they're dry and I'm tired. I'm going to light a candle. I'm going to sit down and I'm going to relax a little while. Then I'm going to get up and take a hot shower and go to bed. That's what I'm going to do. What you doing tonight? See you next time. Bye.